In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money online just by doing memes. I know this sounds pretty crazy, but this is actually a legit way in which you can earn money online. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do it, everything step by step. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can earn money online, literally by sharing memes. Okay. And don't worry, guys, you don't need any kind of design skills. You don't even need to create your memes. Okay. I'm going to show you how you can leverage the power of AI to do this. Now, let me show you everything here on my screen. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, you know, people to make money online. I'm actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay, someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they are using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it, okay? Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, so this is my screen and as you can see, I'm on the website that is called SuperMeme. You can create a free account and you can start using SuperMeme and create meme in different languages. Okay, for example, it says right now that you can create in up to 110 plus languages. I'm using this tool, which is the text to meme. Okay, text to meme. Okay, I can use an example here. It says product management is tricky, balance, blah, blah, blah. Or you can go with something funny. You can create images or you can go with animated GIF. Is that what you want? You can use a random text, if you are like, hey, I don't have an idea or I'm totally clueless. Or you can create like cat memes. Those are really popular. Dog memes, something with humor. Okay, let's say that spend, I don't know, 15 hours social media or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna click here where it says generate. Okay, so now as you can see, the system created everything here for me. It says when you spend 15 hours on social media and can't get off, it's hard to stop. It's consuming my life. They are different memes that I can literally use and I can share them. Okay. So now, where do you share this in order to earn money? Okay. This is actually key because if we go to Instagram, you can see that there are tons of people here who are literally creating Instagram pages based on memes. These can be topic pages, for example, this guy with the cat, okay, or they can be humor, or they can be focused on health, or they can be focused on business, or they can be focused on a character that you enjoy. And these kind of Instagram accounts are growing like super, super fast. And yours is going to be growing way faster because you have this really amazing tool that is doing the meme literally for you. Okay, because you can download all of these GIF, but you can also go and you can also create the image version. Okay. Okay. Let's say that, hey, I don't want to create an GIF animated, because you can see here that we can have images as well, or we can have animated GIF. Okay, so the system is going to be doing the same. Me, after spending 15 hours on social media, as you can see, you can actually edit the text, the layout if you want. Okay, so this is actually a really fun way in which you can actually earn money. So now you know that you have this amazing tool that you can start using for free, that it can help you grow your Instagram account way faster, because you can post literally like 20 memes per day, or you can actually create several Instagrams account. So now what you can do in order to earn money. Okay, we have this page which is called Social Tradia. Social Tradia, you can literally buy and sell Instagram account. Okay, so you can see here we have this Instagram account that people are selling, but if you go to the category here where it says humor and memes, okay, this is the one that we're gonna go, you're gonna see that you do not need to have like a huge following in order to earn money. For example, we have this one, 4,000 followers, $130, okay? 3,000 followers, 140, okay? Of course, the bigger your account, you know, the more eyeballs you're gonna get, and also the more money you're gonna get. For example, we have this one, 79,000 followers, okay? 1,750, 400 here for 20,000. So this is one way in which you can actually earn. But if you see, this one is not even in English, okay? I think this one is Portuguese, okay? Remember that with Super Meme, you can change the language and you can create the same concept in different languages, and you can upload it here, okay? And you can sell your Instagram account. Another way, and this is actually going to depend on the niche, okay, and the type of people that you're going to attract, is the fact that you can add your link, okay? You can add your link, okay? This account do not have it, okay? But you can add your link here, okay? And you can tell them like, hey, this is this CPA offer. This actually works great with CPA, because with CPA, we can give away um, Starbucks gift cards, PlayStation 5, gift card or coupon for Walmart. So those are the kind of things that these people are looking for. So you can put a CPA offer here that is really attractive. And if you're on the gaming niche, okay, you can do that as well. Okay, so this is actually great ways in which you can actually earn money online. But if you guys want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, so you can learn how to make money while you travel, while you sleep, and you can combine this with a powerful way to earn money online, I'm going to be leaving the link below, which is going to be the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online. So this, guys, this is it for this video. If you have this content helpful, give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.